Alright guys, this is little Johnny here. I have just got through printing this this rocket, and I have bought an ultrabase, the anycubic ultrabase for my cr10s, because I mean my glass maybe was a little bit warped, you know, I really couldn't tell, and it probably messed some of my prints up a little bit, you know, but most of my prints came out fine, but I could tell a difference. Normally when you would set the distance, your measurement, you know, leveling your bed on all four corners, and you would hit to go to the next stage, the hot end would go to the middle of the bed where this rocket is, and then it would want you to check the level there. And I can say when I leveled all four corners on here and then it went to the middle of the bed, it felt the same. Whereas on my stock glass that came with the bed, came with the printer, it was usually either a little bit loose or a little bit too tight. It was never the same as how it was on all four corners. So I imagine it was, you know, bowed or something like that. It was warped. And I got tired of, man, peeling print after print after print, and you just have to scrape and beat on the bed and everything else to get it off. And then you got to re-level the bed all over again. And then I started getting a little bit smarter, and I was taking these clips off, and then I was pulling the glass off with the print still on it, and I was taking it over here and I was putting it on this box, and I was sitting it here's my factory glass, and I was sitting it on the box just like this, and then I would have a hold of one side with one hand, like hold this side, and then I would just start trying to peel my prints off, you know, and have to get up under them and scrape and scrape and scrape. And it got old after a little while. It did. It got old, and you know, I kind of messed up a couple of prints to start with, and everybody's gonna do that. Everybody's gonna do that. It's not no big deal. That's just part of that's the name of the game. But with this anycubic ultrabase, which was bought with my own money, was not sponsored or anything by anybody, and I bought it straight from Amazon. It was like $28, something like that. And I have not used any glue or any type of bed adhesion or anything like that, because I didn't want to. Excuse me. I was getting away from that. I didn't want to do that. And I had seen some mixed reviews about this product. Some people were saying, oh, it's good, oh, it's bad. And, you know, well, it comes on the i3 Mega. I mean, that's its build plate. It was good enough for that, you know, and everybody had really, for the most part, good results with that printer, especially the build plate. They loved it. Why would it not do good on another printer? It's a piece of glass, you know what I mean? It's not like it's dedicated to that printer, and it's not like that. It's just a piece of glass with a special surfacing on it. But anyway, so I wanted you guys to see the first print that was printed on here, and you can look at the layer lines on there, and man, it did phenomenal. No glue, no nothing. It did phenomenal. It did great. I was surprised. It stuck. It didn't have any problems sticking to the bed whatsoever. I had no problems. And my rocket looks a lot better than the previous one that I have done. And that's all due to the bed being level. You know, and it just that little bit being off in the middle of the bed makes a tremendous difference, which is probably going to be the reason why my Harley Quinn model failed as well. And I also wanted to show this for you guys. I have not touched it. It's still on there. I haven't touched it at all. Matter of fact, I just came in here to see if the print was done and try and get this to focus so you guys can see the temperature of it. So that way you know it's, you know, at room temperature pretty much. And we're gonna see if it's hard to get off, you know, if I'm gonna have to have a scraper to this thing. I hope not, and I hope it's, let's see, it's on there. Oh man, you just little bit of a tweaking there. Well, as you see, that popped right off, and I wasn't giving it any kind of force at all. Wow, that's awesome. Man, that is awesome. That is really awesome. Let me see, I stick this in the light here. That is awesome. So for what it's worth, in my opinion, man, I want to order like 3 more of these just in case something ever happened. And this thing is awesome, man. It is awesome. It has stuck to the bed, and this is going to be a little bit hard to get off because I can't really push on it or nothing. But that's the ultrabase anycubic. I appreciate it, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Help my channel out. Help us grow. And I also had got some more stuff, and I was master planning. Yes, master planning for parts, which I'll add in another video. So thank you guys, really thank you for everything, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped y'all if y'all are looking at the ultrabase and you're trying to figure out whether you want it or not, or if it's good. Like I said, I bought it with my own money. I was hoping it was going to be great, and this is the first print I printed on it and took off the bed, and I did it with you guys. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If I can help you out any way I can, let me know. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.